The trickiest part of the bound downward facing dog is your balance. And so there's a few things that you can do to help to move towards your bound position. So with your downward facing dog, you've got 4 points of contact. We're immediately going to 3 points of contact, which is going to make it more unstable. So you can stabilize by shortening your stance and turning the foot across the midline of the mat. And then as you go from 3 points to 2 points, it can change your balance. It's a challenge as well. So just walk that hand back, and you might, oh, can you see with my dog? Yeah. So hot potato that opposite hand for a moment. And then if you're able to, reaching the hand back to alongside the hip. And then the final pose to catch hold and even turn it into more of a back bend. So then once you've mastered your balance, then you can perhaps try to straighten up that bottom foot again. But I had to have the doggy here. I think she's bound to the floor. Bound down dog. Namaste.